Everyone. I hope that till now you have learned the basics uh, by yourself and you have practiced whatever was covered in the last lectures. So now we are in the third phase of the course, and this will be the final one. Almost we have covered everything from basic to advanced, which you will be doing on a daily basis as an analyst or a Power BI developer. Yesterday, we got introduced to bar charts, pie charts, legends, and how to format them. Now, we will be introduced to drill through. Drill through is basically, as I mentioned in the last video, that sometimes it happens that your client may ask customized information, for example, to know that this total 212 in the central area, how has it arrived? So we will be initiating a drill through where you will right click and it will take you to a summary table which will show you in-depth insights of this visual based on a common category or a camera or a common attribute. So for now, we will be proceeding with the visuals we made in the last lecture. One thing I forgot to tell you in the last video that in here what you are seeing as detailed values in terms of whole number and percentage. In a pie chart, you can also go here, go here. You can click on detail labels, and here, as you are saying, data values and percentage of total. However, if you will click on only data value, it will change to the values here, and the percentage one will be hidden inside the figure like this. This will be much more cleaner and effective to visualize. Now, when we move to the next part, always remember that to create a drill through, you won't be able to do it on the same page. You need to create a separate page. Here, we will be taking a table and we will be importing data like say name, nationality, weight category, we forgot to summarize anything. We show it the table as it is. So what we are going to do now, we we will go here. You can see add drill through fields through here. We will be dragging weight category here, and you can see that a back button. This means that the drill through is now enabled. When you will go back to the cost effectiveness report, one thing to note that a drill through will not work when you will right click on the visual. However, it will work when you will click uh, on any certain bar or any certain figure inside the visual. When you will click here, wait a second. Let's say we take the labor R equals to index. We will go here. You can see now that it is showing a message. Right click to drill through. Only the fields which are added inside the drill through fields will appear. If you will add weight category, it will enable that option. However, you just saw that I did not use the labor hours, so it didn't show drill through option for labor hours. After adding, I think it is still not showing here. When you will click here for labor hours, or sorry, weight category, you can see as drill through, and the drill through is on which page. When you will click on it, it will take you to that particular table. All the tables which are which are connected to that particular KPI, only on those the drill through option will work. Same goes for here and here. So this is how a drill through actually works. Now, in real scenarios, what can happen? Supposedly, if you are working on a production department, and the number of sales orders are dispatched for a particular product. Now, your let's say your supervisor may ask, okay, on the basis of the sales that happened for this particular product in this particular month, show me the number of orders which were produced or manufactured. So in that case, the expanded level of summary can be learned through drill through. So that is all for this lecture. It is a very simple yet very important concept. So I will see you in the next lecture. We will be introduced to bookmarks. We just like we learned buttons and we learned how to create visuals. Now we will be learning how to connect those buttons to replace the data or replace the visual dynamically without changing any other things in this page. And we will just click on here, and on the spot the data will be updated. Okay, thank you.